our senses are very strong. If you try to stop the senses, the other senses is trying to kill you, because the senses and mind are our enemies. In holy scripture like Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said that our uncontrolled mind and uncontrolled senses are like venomous poison of snake. We are struggling for the existence due to mind and the senses. Bhagavad Gita explains that we are part and parcel of Lord Krishna, and we are same in quality with Supreme Personality of Lord Krishna. We human being and other living entities are part and parcel of Lord Krishna. We, the soul, is the spiritual spark of Lord Krishna, and in quality we are same with Lord Krishna, but not in quantity. So why we are rotting in this material world? We are rotting in this material world due to uncontrolled mind and senses. We can control the mind and senses only by the Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is the genuine and effective method to control our uncontrolled mind and senses. No other process and method is effective for the control of mind and senses. Everything except Bhakti Yoga is artificial and not effective, because senses are very strong, and stronger than sense is mind, and stronger than mind is false ego, and stronger than false ego is soul, and stronger than soul is super soul, who is Supreme Personality of Lord Krishna, who resides in every living being as a Paramatma, in every living being or living entities. So when this soul connects with super soul, then only can our mind and senses can be controlled.